There's something about Smith Mountain Lake, the way time slows down here and the way life becomes a little bit more intentional. And every once in a while, a property comes available that's been a part of that story for decades.
This home has been owned by the same family since 1987, never offered to the market until now. And the moment you step inside, you feel it. The history, the memories, the quiet kind of care that only comes with time. This isn't a home that's been redesigned or reimagined over and over again. It's been preserved, and what makes it even more special is everything that surrounds it. A gentle walk to the water, a private dock already in place, the kind of setting where mornings start slow and evenings stretch just a little longer. This is where summers are spent on the lake, where weekends turn into traditions, where memories don't just happen, they stay with you. But what makes this opportunity truly unique is what comes next. Because while this home has been beautifully maintained, it's ready for a new vision, for someone who sees the potential, who understands what it means to take something one of a kind and make it their own. Properties like this don't come around often. A one-family-owned lake home in a setting like this, with this much opportunity to create something truly special. This isn't just a home you buy, it's a lifestyle you step into.
And for the next owner, this is where your story begins at Smith Mountain Lake.
If this feels like the opportunity you've been waiting for, we'd love to show it to you.